Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to view project analytics and reports in Asana. This is your complete guide for 2025. First up, log into your Asana account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need your username and password. This step is crucial because you can't access your project analytics without being logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects tab. Here's where all your current and past projects live. The reason we do this is because Asana organizes project analytics by individual projects, so you'll need to select the one you're interested in. Now that we've done that, find the project you want insights about and click on it. You'll be sent to the project's main page. This helps us because it's the gateway to the project's analytics and reports. Next up, look for the Progress tab on the top of your screen. By clicking on it, you'll be redirected to the project's analytics and reports. Let me explain why this matters. Project analytics show you how well your project is progressing. You'll see completed tasks, remaining tasks, and even how your team's work is distributed. Once you're in the Progress tab, you'll see a Reports section. The reason we do this is because Asana creates automatic reports based on your project's data. These reports give you a comprehensive view of your project's performance and can help you identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. This is where the fun begins. Within the Reports section, you can customize what you want to see. You can filter by task completion, due dates, individual team members' contributions, and more. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana compiles all this data from your project's activities, allowing you to analyze and interpret it in a way that suits your needs. That's about it. You've now successfully navigated to and accessed your project's analytics and reports in Asana. Remember, data is powerful, so use these insights to drive your project's success. So there you have it, your complete guide to viewing project analytics and reports in Asana for 2025. Until next time, keep those projects on track and your analytics in check.